come to the elevators at the Westfield Mall, Nordstrom. These are Mitsubishi. All right, and one. These are the express elevators to Nordstrom. Here we are at Nordstrom. One, going down. These are Mitsubishi. Let's get our cap from this side. This is actually a very nice elevator.
You just see the ones on the other side, a different color.
Oh, okay. On the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, then I guess I'll send this one up.
Yeah, the ones on that side, they're
Send that one up.
wait for that one. Go press that button, and that
Okay.
one might.
Thanks, man. Come to the elevators at Nordstrom in the Westfield Mall. All right, and 5. This is the biggest Nordstrom I've been in. Here we are in 5. C. These are Mitsubishi elevators. Get our cab view. Very nice elevators. Silent chime. What? We are at C, concourse level, and 5. And we'll get our cab view. This entire mall is basically just Nordstrom on the 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 4th mall. Alright, this is the Nordstrom level. We're going to go down to N4. Door close button works. Oh. That didn't sound very good. And there goes that one. Here we come to the elevator at Zara. White, nice. Zara. This is the elevator at Zara. I wonder why they have 2 instead of 1. Oh yeah. It's here. It's white. I like that. Whoa. Oh, it has vandal resistant on the inside. This isn't rare. Oh, that was rough. Okay, it's taking forever to level. There we go. 2. Okay, door close button does not work because this is a Schindler elevator. Oh, nice. That's a unique looking door close button. Let's get our tab view. This elevator has mirrors everywhere. Look in the mirror, who you see? Hey now. Look in the mirror, who you see? Hey now. Look in the mirror, who you see? Hey now. These are your fixtures right here. That was rough. Ring the bell. And there it goes. Now, Otis. We'll go up to 4. Nice. Mitsubishi on the inside. Says Mitsubishi buttons. This is the elevator outside of Zara. C. Oh, C's locked. Go to 1. Look, going down. Already going down.
Going down yet.
C's locked. Gonna go to 1. C is locked off. Wow, at least it still has a Otis go cancel button.
然后他说那个已经有100年，2个是这个
100年的历史啊，
那个全景啊，
100年。
1 right.
他说100
C is locked off. I think C is locked off. I don't know.
那么这个房子上面是一个
Okay, series 1, unit 4. C is locked off. I don't know. I'm gonna see if it's burned out or if it's locked off. If it doesn't move, then it's locked off. If it goes up, then it's locked off. Okay, the elevator is not moving. Oh, there we go. C didn't work for some reason. Alright, we are at C. 2. This is kind of lame. Are they put? Let's get a cab. Looks like a service elevator, kind of. It looks really big though. These are fixtures. Floor indicator. So we are at 2. Alright. Otis Series 2.